turning basin and government cut. Oh man, the Coast Guard's throwing a pretty big wake, trying to slow everyone down. This aircraft, we're going nice, about 2.5 knots. We're gonna get it near the shoreline, try to get some airbags, roll it over, and hopefully tow it out with a tow truck. That's that. Alright, we'll get you more later. Keep going over. Alright, we got airbags on this Seaplane, and we're going to attempt to roll it over towards its port side, nice and gentle. Might spin around though right now. I'm going to have to pull in a different angle. There she goes. I don't want it to spin. It might spin. Go back this way. Come on, baby, roll. Alright, we need to readjust our angle. We can get it though. Oh, looks like we got some added buoyancy here. Alright, let's go right here on this angle. Come on. Nope. Just gonna roll again. Alright, we are gently pulling units 1 and 3. Alright, straighten out a little. Alright, I'm powering up. We just rolled this aircraft. We have a 1,000 on the starboard wing, a 1,000 on the propeller. We're attempting to dewater the fuselage compartment at this moment. I'm hooked to the starboard wing tie down, the other vessel to a starboard sponson. But we're not going to hold like this, it doesn't appear.
Turn right.
Turn right? Yes. Oh, turning right, okay. Alright, so we'll get you a video when she's all lifted. We're just dragging her right now. She is letting water out of the cabin. And we'll go from there. We're going to see if we can run her aground. Right on the ramp at the Seaplane base. Alright, keep you posted. Fast response units 1 and 5. Alright, this seems to be the final game plan. It's towing in a controlled manner where if we slack up, it remains in the upright position. So there's a tow truck standing by at the ramp. We're just going to get her wheels to touch down, and they will winch her out nice and gentle. We're just trying to get her there nice and easy. We just have a 1,000 airbag on top of the starboard wing, and we have another 1,000 tied to the propeller. Whoa. A little line slippage there, but I think she's filling with water, which is making it a little easier to keep her upright. We had the underwater pontoons were buoyant earlier. I'm slowing up. Anyways, we got Coast Guard here, guys. We're I gotta check out.
Come back.
All right, we got this thing up with a line hook to the prop. The running gear captain said was too weak, but we had to hook some 4,000 pounds to the lower sponsons because there's a huge ledge to this ramp. We had to get it over that ledge, but we're just about to get de-water it now. We're going from there. We'll have some pictures once she's fully on the hard, and we'll be done.
We understand you guys are responding to the case on Oliver. Can you switch to channel 15?
Got our pumps going. There it goes. Alright, there she goes. Kicking on. There she's priming. She's priming. She'll prime. Oh, sir! It went out. It just started. Here, pull more out. Pull more out. It's going. Going. Put it in there. It's pumping. It's pumping. Just hold it in there for a moment. Oh, come on. We're getting all stuck up under here, under the wing. We're trying to get the landing gear down at the moment. Sorry for this video, I'm trying to fend off, do it all at the same time. Oh, we're just waiting for our pump to prime. Here it goes. Alright, it's pumping. It's going. Oh, wow. It's going fast. Alright. It's pumping, man. Damn wing keeps getting in my way. It's the worst video ever. I'm trying here, guys. I think that's all the water for that compartment. Alright, I got too much going on here. I'm gonna have to cut this video short, but we got this thing. Peace up, we're getting the last of the water. Just gotta get this wing off my boat. Alright, we have the plane all strapped up to the crane. Let's stand by for a lift. Let's hope the wings don't rip off. Got our pumps ready. We just got off all of our airbags off fast response unit 1. Unit 5 hovering over there. Alright, straps are tight. She's lifting. I don't know if these wings are gonna rip off. There's a lot of water in those sponsons. But she is floating now. I mean, she's standing up. A moment will be when she gets off the ground. It's really not safe for these guys to be walking underneath there while it's being hung in the air. I think they're trying to figure out now how to pump out those sponsons the rest of the way. There's a lot of water in them. I might have to offer my pump. They got just this little hand pump going at it, but there are all these compartmentalized compartments, and you gotta be hooked up to it with that hand pump. It's a real pain in the butt, it looks like. Hey, Sally, tell John we're got George's crane here. Actually, they just pulled up, but we accepted their help. Or the owner did, at least. We got a lot of pumping to go. I'm not sure if they're going to try to pump it out with a hand pump or roll it up on the runway or whatnot. I know, right? I mean, the little pump will work in about a year, but I mean, he's going on it, little baby pump, pumping away. Yep, there he goes, pumping the water. Sorry guys, trying to figure out how to use the new GoPro. Stuck with the phone for the moment, trying to keep it not shaky. There he is with a little hand pump. I would imagine it'd take quite a while to pump that thing out with a hand pump. But he's going at it. Our initial airbag was placed on top where the lifting straps are right now to try to roll it, but we needed to end up meeting one on the propeller, as well as we needed 2 airbags underneath the port and starboard sponsons because there was a concrete ledge to this ramp. So we weren't able to get it close to the ramp without lifting the bow, and we used 2 4,000 airbags for that. Looks like he's got compartments here, and he's going from compartment to compartment. pumping out the water, which is pretty cool. In a minute here, we're gonna lift her onto the hard. Our boats are a complete disaster after stuff like this. We have a million airbags to put away. They're still on the dock, and we probably got hours of cleanup, but that's what happens when we get a job like this. Gotta break out all the gear. All right, going on that back compartment. Looks like they're almost done pumping. Getting ready to lift. We would assist them with our gasoline dewatering pumps, but they have these special fittings that are designed to mate right up to those hand pumps that they got. So unfortunately, no, we can't do anything about that. And where he's hooking it up is pretty cool. They actually have a metal pickup tube that's sucking from the very, very bottom. So I guess before they taxi every time, their pre-flight check part of it is pumping out the pontoons. A cute little bully on the dock. Little baby bully. Alright, let's see this thing lift. Alright, here he goes. I see that crane shooting out a bunch of diesel smoke. I think he's, yep, here we go. We have liftoff. Oh wow, you can see that this pontoon's bent a little from initial impact, and it's taking on water. The actual pontoon is cracked from impact on the bottom. So they're just gonna let it drain. Right now he's signaling. So yeah, we do have a cracked pontoon from impact taking on water. I was making it really hard to get it up, and now the crane is coming up higher. I think they're gonna swing her onto lands in a moment. Our job will be complete. No longer a threat to the environment. She's out of the water. Tailwing November 288 Zulu Kilo. And wow, she definitely had water. When we got on scene, we flipped her, but she one pontoon seemed to be buoyant and one was not, which was really messing us up. And that would explain that. It just was compromised its watertight integrity. I got some. Aviation, I guess, administrator and inspector checking out the failure points on how the sponson cracked or it's taking on water. Yeah, the plane, to reiterate what happened, the guy was just coming in for landing, and his he stuffed the front landing gear floats, and it somersaulted forward and ended up upside down. That's what happened there.
Roger that, Captain. Well, we have you loud and clear, and be safe out there.
Did they? All right. They're shifting her over. They're gonna put her on rollers. I guess the buddy over there's got rollers. They're just gonna push it around the runway / ramp. Landing gear was up, obviously, because he was doing a water landing. So it's making it hard. There we got, I think, FAA or someone inspecting the damage. Alright guys, we'll get you pictures or anything later, but we're going to check out here. We got a lot of gear to clean up. Get back to you later. Chuck and Fast Response out. Alright, we're all out of the water here now, but I figured get you guys up close and personal and see some of the damage. He's about to put on bricks, but we have a puncture hole here, starboard sponson, and then along the back, got a gash in the pontoon right there. That's the extent of the damage. We're just getting it on blocks right now. We got a FAA inspector here. He's making pilot error, but we're not sure. Too soon to tell. And they're gonna have her sitting on bricks. Just thought I'd follow up, guys. We're all clear here, just showing you why we could not pump out the sponsons. That is why they were ruptured. All right, standing by.